Index funds have become one of the most popular investment options worldwide, offering low-cost, diversified exposure to financial markets. However, despite their growing popularity, they are not universally available to all investors. Whether due to regulatory restrictions, limited market access, or lack of investor awareness, not everyone can invest in index funds as easily as others. Here's what you need to know before investing. Why index funds are popular. Index funds are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, or MSCI Emerging Markets Index. Instead of active management, these funds passively mirror the holdings of an index, resulting in lower fees and consistent long-term performance. Challenges in accessing index funds. Despite their benefits, several barriers prevent investors in certain regions from easily accessing index funds. Regulatory restrictions. Some countries have strict financial regulations that limit or prohibit foreign index funds. For example, emerging markets may restrict access to US-based ETFs like Vanguard or BlackRock funds. Limited local offerings. Not all financial markets have well-developed index funds. Many smaller economies lack diversified ETFs, making it harder for investors to gain passive exposure. Capital controls and taxation. Some governments impose foreign investment restrictions or high taxes on offshore investments, discouraging index fund participation. Currency exchange barriers. Investing in foreign index funds often requires converting local currency into US dollars or euros, which may involve high exchange fees and currency risks. Brokerage limitations. Certain brokers and financial institutions may not offer index funds in specific countries, limiting investors' choices. How investors can still gain index fund exposure. Even if traditional index funds are not widely available in your region, there are alternative ways to invest. Locally available ETFs. Check if your stock exchange offers domestic or regional ETFs tracking major indices. International brokerages. Some online brokerage platforms provide global market access, allowing investors to buy index funds from foreign exchanges. Mutual fund alternatives. In some markets, actively managed mutual funds mimic index-like strategies, though fees may be higher. Robo-advisors. Certain fintech platforms offer access to diversified index-based portfolios with automated management. Fractional investing. Some investment apps allow users to buy fractional shares of international ETFs, lowering entry barriers. Key takeaways for investors. Research local options. Not all index funds are global, so check for domestic alternatives. Consider costs and fees. Investing in international index funds may come with currency conversion fees and higher expenses. Stay informed about regulations. Changes in financial policies may impact your ability to invest in foreign markets. Diversify wisely. If index funds are unavailable, look for diversified investment options that align with your goals. Index funds are an excellent way to build wealth over time, but they are not universally accessible. Investors should be aware of restrictions in their country and explore alternative ways to gain passive market exposure. Whether through local ETFs, international brokers, or digital investment platforms, there are ways to overcome these barriers and take advantage of index investing strategies.